Microsoft launched its budget tablet, the Surface Go, back in July. Now, for those who don't know, the Surface Go is a 10-inch Windows tablet that looks like the Surface Pro, but with prices starting at $399. It shares some of the features with the Surface Pro as well, including the PixelSense display, design cues, and an inbuilt kickstand. We got some hands-on time with the device at IFA 2018, and here's our first look. Now, by the looks of it, it's quite clear that the Surface Go is intended to compete with the Apple iPad. The display of the tablet sports a 3:2 aspect ratio, and it comes with the company's signature integrated kickstand with unlimited positions. It is equipped with a front camera with facial recognition technology. Additionally, the Surface Go comes with the company's proprietary Surface connector port for charging and connecting to a desktop dock. Microsoft has also packed in a USB Type-C 3.1 port that can charge the tablet or transfer data to external devices. The company is claiming 9 hours of battery life. Under the hood, the Surface Go is powered by a 7th generation Intel Pentium Gold 4415Y processor. It's available in two variants, one with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of eMMC storage, and the second with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of SSD storage. Surface Go runs Windows 10s out of the box, and this means users will only be able to access the Edge browser and apps available in the Microsoft Store. However, they can choose to upgrade to a full-blown Windows 10 Home for free. Similar to the Surface Pro, the Surface Go comes with an optional keyboard cover and the optional Surface Pen. There's still no clarity on whether the Surface Go will make it to India, but we'll let you know as soon as there's an update on that. So this is a quick first look at the Microsoft Surface Go tablet. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.